400 years ago, the Quran spoke of the heart as the center of understanding, not the brain. Science has only now caught up. Neurocardiology reveals the heart has 4000 neurons. Its electromagnetic field is 5000 times stronger than the. Dr. Emoto proved water holds memory. Good thoughts create beautiful crystals. Our bodies are 70% water. Tesla said thoughts are energy. They leave an electrical signature in the universe. Your intention shapes reality. The Quran describes angels recording every word. There is a watcher ready beside every utterance. Our deeds are transcribed. Today, Neuralink reads your thoughts. On the day of judgment, your entire life plays back as 4K video, every intention recorded. Pure intention is a laser of power. Envy and hatred are self-destruct buttons that damage you. Read the Quran as a science book. Protect your thoughts. The afterlife already has the technology.